Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. 200 megawatt portfolio commission data audit. Expected 2 to 3% inefficiencies. Found $2.5 million in annual revenue leakage. Crazy part, O&M team had no idea. Financials looked good, SLAs met, but asset health degraded faster than spreadsheets showed. 200 megawatt portfolio operating 6 years expected stable. Inverters within rated efficiency. String losses minimal. Problem? Nobody did forensic data audit. Monitored performance now, not trajectory. Is efficiency improving, stable, or degrading? Is thermal consistent? Need historical analysis. Systems just alert when things break. Thinking, audit's expensive. We've done internal reviews. Internal reviews checklist driven. Inverter responding, yes. Combiner box connected, yes. But don't ask. String efficiency declining, cumulative cell degradation, site degrading. Those statistical questions need deep historical analysis. Finding one, string degradation cascade. 3 strings per site degrading 1.2% yearly instead 0.8%. Over 6 years? Each string lost $180,000. Across 200 strings, $36 million lost value. Finding 2, inverter efficiency collapse. 2018 batch operating 94%, instead rated 96.5%. Why? Capacitor aging plus temperature drift. Replacement in next capex. Finding 3, soiling acceleration. Site experienced 1.8% monthly loss, instead modeled 0.9%. Cleaning schedule wrong. Optimized frequency recovered $140,000 yearly. Total, $2.5 million over 5 years, $500,000 annual savings. Audit didn't find catastrophic failures, found slow-moving degradation compounding over time. That's forensic analysis versus operational monitoring. Your portfolio might be in this position now. Everything looks fine on dashboard, but slow degradation happening beneath. Only way to know is comprehensive audit. Schedule free forensic portfolio audit. Analyze 6 years SCADA data, identify degradation trajectories, run statistical analysis on string-level performance trends, model cumulative losses and maintenance ROI, provide detailed recovery roadmap. 200 megawatt portfolios typically uncover $1 million to $3 million 5-year recovery. Unlike generic dashboards, forensic level analysis. Clear picture. What's degrading? How fast? ROI of fixing. Book today. Only 15 slots available this quarter. 200 megawatts portfolio discovered $2.5 million in hidden degradation and revenue leakage during forensic audit, when they thought everything operating normally. See how slow-moving string degradation, inverter efficiency collapse, soiling acceleration silently erode bottom line. Take action now. Schedule your free forensic portfolio audit. We'll analyze your historical SCADA data to identify string degradation cascades, inverter efficiency collapse patterns, soiling loss optimization opportunities, 5-year recovery value, $1 million to $3 million for 200 megawatts. Book today. Only 15 slots available this quarter. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.